These bottles are designed to hold pressure. Welcome back to another Science Lab ANU. I'm Dr. Graham Walker. It is a beautiful day to do some things with liquid nitrogen. We're right outside where I work at the Centre for the Public Awareness of Science, where we do science communication. We look at the relationship between science and politics and innovation and the community, all these different places where science and the rest of the world are kind of bumping up and bridging. The actual area I get to work in is called informal science learning. So science centres, a bit like science education, but a lot of things happening outside of school. And one of the things I look at in my research is the emotions that people feel during experiences like this. And one of my prime tools for provoking these emotions is this liquid nitrogen teddy bear cannon. It is literally awesome in that you might feel awe, particularly when you see it going off. Now, it is powered by liquid nitrogen. The nitrogen is very, very cold, about minus 196 degrees. You can see that cool kind of fog it's making. But we're going to use the nitrogen to actually build up pressure. So we're not interested in how cold it is. We're interested in what happens when it gets warm. We're going to put the liquid nitrogen into this soft drink bottle. We're going to let the pressure build up. As it boils, changes from a liquid into a gas, it's going to expand. But there's nowhere to go because the lid's going to be on. The pressure inside the bottle is going to get so high that this bottle will pop. And as it pops, we should see the teddy kind of jump out of the tube a little bit. All right, so let's get some liquid nitrogen in there. So right now it's a liquid, but its boiling point is about minus 196 degrees. So it is a very warm day for our liquid nitrogen, and it's changing from a liquid into a gas. So you will have seen water boil at 100 degrees. Other things, they'll boil at different temperatures. And for our nitrogen, it'd even keep boiling if we put it in the freezer. All right, so we've got our liquid nitrogen. Now let's get the lid on, get it into the cannon and launch our teddy bear. All right, so got our teddy here. We've got our liquid nitrogen. Let's get that lid on nice and tight. That's going to prevent any gas escaping. That means the pressure inside is going to start building up, more and more pressure, until we've got enough pressure to pop the bottle. More and more pressure. These bottles are designed to hold pressure. Liquid nitrogen teddy bear cannon, ladies and gentlemen. See you later.